My name is Kayla Broomer and I was an early childhood development student at Germanna and I graduated in May 2019. I'm working at a daycare and I am substitute teaching and my career goal is to become a teacher. I've been wanting to be a teacher since I was a little girl. I really like student teaching and getting to experience different age groups and different classrooms. I love working with children because I love their curiosity about the world and everything around them, and I want to help them with their future. I really enjoy the challenging children the most because they're the ones that need the most attention usually, and they're the ones that could benefit the most from all of the attention that I'm able to give them. My time at Germanna helped me prepare for my work at James Madison University. I'm an online student at JMU and I work full-time. My dream job after completing my degree at James Madison is to be a second grade teacher. The early childhood faculty, Teresa Connor, helped me be successful and she was very helpful, and she works with her students, and if you need one-on-one, you get one-on-one. She offers meetings. The smaller class sizes helped me tremendously because I was able to get the one-on-one that I needed when I needed it. Because I'm shy myself, I can sympathize with my students that will be more shy and work with them one-on-one when they need it. I think being able to work one-on-one with students makes them feel more comfortable because they feel like it's just them and they don't have the worry about other kids around them while they're working. I've seen kids come in with absolutely no social skills whatsoever, not interact, and then through being in our program, they've been able to interact and play with other kids and begin using words and begin communicating. And when they started, they weren't communicating at all. My name is Kayla, and thanks to Germanna, I'm well on my way to becoming a second grade teacher.